Hello friends, my name is Teacher Mo, and I'm so happy to be your English teacher. I live in Cape Town in sunny South Africa. I love having fun learning new things, new words, and new places.
Fantastic job so far. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't
No
have
question?
any questions.
Perfect. Now let's have a look at our next reading about what are allergies. Ready?
Okay. Allergies happen when a person's body overreacts to the presence of a certain substance within it.
I also love reading interesting books and sharing stories.
I understand everything.
I love practicing yoga and meditation. I love music and singing songs too.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I can't wait to learn a ton of exciting new things with you.
I like a bubble.
We can learn about amazing countries, yummy food, cool stories, and so much more. I can already tell you all have the awesome factor. So, let's get ready for a stellar lesson. See you all soon.